Well, hello there YouTubers and welcome to another video. My name is Phil from Small Robot Tabletop Hobbies, and today I've received something in the post from Archon Studios. Let's see what they sent us. Archon Studios contacted me some months ago regarding sending me a game they'd like me to showcase on the channel. I said, of course, I'm always willing to showcase stuff on the channel and for any upcoming Kickstarters, so they sent me the stuff through the post and it arrived today. Let's take a look at what they've sent. It weighs about 5 kilos. Got in the box, lots of foam. Let's have a look. Oh, it's Vanguard of War. I think this was a Kickstarter they did last year sometime. What else have they sent? They've sent Madness expansion, the Darkness expansion, Harbinger expansion, Chaos expansion. This is the Fallen expansion. I think that's it for this big box. I can get rid of that one. Another box here. I know nothing about this game. I missed the Kickstarter, so I'm interested to actually see how it plays. This looks like the game components and some nice miniatures. Okay, what is this? What I will do is I will get the overhead camera looking down on this table and we'll take a quick gander at what they've sent me. So this is Vanguard of War. Let's quickly see what it says on the back. Vanguard of War is a 1-to-4 player co-op game with a highly detailed miniatures and ruthless tower defense gameplay. Tower defense. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, let's get rid of that. Put that to one side. We have our rulebook. So the rulebook is quite nice, to be honest. Lots of tokens and counters, various things. Cardstock is okay, not the thickest cardstock I've ever encountered in my life. Ooh, more card, that's much better. So I'm assuming these are the heroes that you play with various special abilities. Yep, 8 of those. Could be stuff that they have with them, I don't know. I'll read the rules and try and figure this out. What's this? This is the game board. Double-sided. I think there's one side to actually lay out the way the beasties, the minions, make their way towards the tower in the middle. So there's the opposite side, you can lay them out how you like. Then we move on to the miniatures. Yeah, this just comes out lovely. What have we got miniature-wise? We have some cards and a few dice. Miniatures in the game. Let's take a quick look at these. There's a nice lot of detail on these miniatures. Wow, could be the next project for painting. These must be heroes, are they? Ooh. Oh yeah, I like the minis. There is lots of detail on these miniatures. Lots of knobbly bits and spikes and whatnot. So they could be not the easiest to paint, but I think if you give them a basic coat and a basic coat of paint and got them going from there, you could probably make them look pretty good on the game board. I think they've minis like this before. They always come out pretty well. So lots of miniatures, heroes. So I would imagine these are the heroes because they are a different colour to everything else. Okay, so that's what was in the base game that they sent me. So what is in this extra brown box they've sent me? More heroes, more stuff. I'm not entirely sure what you get in your Kickstarter or what you didn't get or what the backers actually received. These beasts are a bit tough to get out of the box. This must be more objective markers, I would imagine. Chronicle. Empire of Men, there's more scenarios. Whole lot of stuff. What's this? Ooh. Yeah, so far the miniatures in this game are pretty highly detailed. Lots of detail on the minis. And they are, yeah, they are actually looking quite nice. So they've also sent expansion packs. Vanguard of War, so these are all expansion packs. I have no idea if these are upcoming releases. I'll email the developer to find out. This is the Fallen expansion. Let's see. Yeah, more minis, more cards, more beasts, and yet another very Nice miniature. If we can get a bit of focus. Yeah, another nice miniature. Loads and loads of detail. Lots of detail on that. Wow. Could be a headache to paint. Could be fun to paint. More baddies. Yep. So more bad guys. Madness. Yet another. Oh yeah, cool. Well, so far really impressed with the actual quality of the miniatures in this game. Probably going to look to do damage there. Madness within. Got that one over there. What's this one? This is darkness. Let's see what the darkness is. For these fellas. And yet another. I think the grey ones are your heroes, I would imagine. They've got to be something to do with the heroes because they're differentiating. But that's another nice mini. Harbinger. Wow, more minis. That one's very nice. Looks a bit like a Crix model from Privateer Press. Yeah, instantly I think Crix there. Our artwork is a little bit like it. One more box. This is the Chaos expansion, Chaos Knight. And yet again, more highly detailed models. Look at the Vanguard of War. Lots and lots of stuff in the box. Really high quality miniatures. Probably some of the best miniatures I've seen from a board game. Really impressed with the minis. That's what shocked me the most. I think about this is that when I dug into the box and started pulling these fellas out, you're like, wow, these are good. These are Games Workshop quality. Games Workshop are pretty much set the standard. They've been doing it for donkey's years, and they're the best at it. These are single piece miniatures that require no assembly, and the quality and the level of detail is superb. So if you're into this hobby in any way, just for the painting, which a lot of people are, I just sometimes buy games because the miniatures are good and I like to paint them up. You are not going to go far wrong by buying Vanguard of War. It is really good. I think you get 40 odd miniatures or whatever it is in the base game. Really nice miniatures, and I recommend if you're into it, get it for that. That alone, top drawer. Artwork's good. Components, lots of it. They sent me the expansions. I'm not sure if the expansions are on general sale. You can find that out. I'll put some notes in the video notes of it, the show notes. But I've got lots of stuff to figure out how to play, and lots of goodies and content to figure out what to do with. Did you buy this game? If you did, let me know in the comments below. Do you like it? What do you think of it? Tell me. Let me know what you think. Have you painted your miniatures? Again, I'm seriously considering getting the camera and the airbrush and getting these done on camera, because we've got lots of repeatable baddies, so I can do the baddies in one batch and just get them on camera, and they look really good. So, if you like the video, do me a favour, click the like button. If you are not a subscriber, do me a favour, click the subscribe button. It all helps. My name's been Phil from Small Rebel Tabletop Hobbies, and I am gonna end the video there with this fella who looks like the baddie from Doom, the dog thing in the early 90s.